thinking about, if it's like a big issue with my card, what I'm gonna do, and kind of thought about it, and then for myself, nobody else is here. I don't have to worry about anybody else but me. So worst case scenario, I'll get my little blanket, find a pile of hay, and if it was good enough for baby Jesus, it's good enough for me. I'll be all right. So I went from Ventosa all the way to Santo Domingo. I think it's about 32k. The good thing about this town is like it's a lot to do with chicken. So cool, it's supposed to rain today, but instead it's like little things of ice. Really cool. So it's it's so cold right now. I went from being like all red from the sun the first 3 or 4 days to now it's like ice falling and so cold. I guess it's all part of the fun. Buen camino.
Today was an interesting day. I left San Domingo around 8 o'clock. Everything was fine for the first hour or so, and then it starts raining a little bit, which was no big deal, just like a little bit of rain. Everybody stopped, put the covers on the backpacks, and put the jackets on, and so far so good. Kept walking, and then like about an hour later, it starts snowing, and I mean not ice actually, falling like ice, and it was really cool. And a lot of people kind of went to the bars and found an albergue for the day, and I kept walking. What I did mess up though was that usually I stop like 3 or 4 times during the day, and it like let my feet air out. I change my socks if I feel like I have to, but because it was so cold, I was like, I didn't feel like doing that. I just kept pushing, and I could feel like sweat like in my feet. So like right now, like I think I'm gonna get a couple blisters because of it. I just didn't want to stop. Like I couldn't find a place that was covered to do it, and then I just stopped for like 5 minutes to get some lunch and just kept going. I realized I actually have a room all by myself, which is great because I get to like spend one night with no snoring, just kind of relax, and I don't have to worry about like my phone being close to me or things like that. So, like my passport, so somebody take it. Hopefully in 2 days I'll be in Burgos, and I want to take like a half a day, like get there around like 12 1, and then get a hotel for that day so I can do some, like, I know it's pretty sad, but do some work for the army and stuff. So yeah, but until then, buen camino.
Buen camino. Buen camino. Could make to Burgos, but I want to have a half day there today, so tomorrow. And so what I will do is just go ahead and sleep here, and then tomorrow have like a 10k day I'll be there by 11 and just take the rest of the day to kind of see the city and rest. My knee, both of them hurt last night, so I woke up in the middle of the night like because of the pain. So today what I did, I just put those like sleeves that people use for working out, CrossFit and stuff, and it feels a lot better. So that's definitely like a recommendation. I would say bring some of those sleeves. Be surprised how many people actually complain about knee pains. So that's something that I would recommend for sure. But yeah, other than that, everything went well. Got to see some cows and was easy day, easier than usual. So tomorrow I guess to go to Burgos and spend the whole day there and kind of check the city, and I think that'll be fun. All right, bon camino. Arriving to Burgos, a lot nicer than anything I've seen so far. So today was the best day. Despite the cold and the rain, it was only 14K to Burgos, and let me tell you, this city is awesome. So if you gotta choose a place to stay, the Camino, I would say like this would be the first one to like stay an extra day or two. It's so nice, it's beautiful, lots of stuff to do, a lot of things to see. It's a castle, there's this gorgeous cathedral back there. Absolutely amazing. So pretty happy about that. The albergue that we stayed in there is only €6 and it's super nice. It's very nice. They have Wi-Fi. It's a little bar right in front of it. The moment that did some work, and but yeah, like so this is amazing. Great city. I wish I had some more time actually to go explore. Definitely like no, 2 days is not enough to see it. But yeah, it's a great place. And probably tomorrow afternoon, I'll start heading out and trying to walk like 20 to 25K and take it from there, see where I'm at. But till then, buen camino.